It's a beautiful Saturday morning up here in North Idaho. I'm going to do a little bit of shooting today, and I brought some of my pistols with me. I wanted to do a recoil comparison and kind of share that with you guys and see what you think. So I'll talk over what I got here. This is the order I'm going to shoot them in. I'm assuming this is going to be the order of lower recoil to higher recoil, so that's why I kind of went with that. So I've got a Smith & Wesson M&P full size right here, 9mm, and I'm just shooting, this is Blazer, I believe 115 grain full metal jacket. Got 17 rounds of that. I'm not shooting a whole lot because ammo is kind of pricey right now and also sometimes hard to get. To compare with that 9mm, I brought my everyday carry gun. This is a Glock 43X. Got the same ammo, Blazer, 115 grain. And I also have a couple of the Shield Arms 15 round magazines. Glock standard comes with 10 rounds. So I'm going to shoot a few out of this one since it's my everyday carry. I want to make sure it's good and reliable. And then also another comparison I wanted to do. I've still got this full size, right, 9mm. Got a full size 10mm. This is my bear gun when I go up in the mountains. This one I've got a couple different ammo types I wanted to try. I've got Blazer 200 grain full metal jacket, and then I've also got, oh actually yeah, in the same magazine, the last 5 in this magazine are Grizzly 220 grain. So I'm interested to see how the recoil is on that. So we'll make some, hopefully we can get some good comparison videos here on the recoil and just have a little fun and then get on with our Jeep drive adventure today. Also for the 43X, I do have some hollow points I wanted to test out and make sure they work well, especially with the Shield Arms magazine, aftermarket magazine. So I've got 2 magazines, the standard Glock 10 round magazine, critical defense 115 grain, both magazines. So I'm going to shoot 15 out of the Shield Arms, 10 out of the Glock standard, and I'm going to do my best to try and make it fail. So we'll see what I can do. Here is my Smith & Wesson full size 9mm. See how it goes. Not bad. That's actually pretty good. So here's my Glock 43X. Everyday carry. I'm shooting full metal jackets out of it. A little snappier. Alright, come on. Shorter barrel. Not too bad though. Well, recoil doesn't really. Alright, that was a good test. Alright. Looks like I got about 8 rounds left in the full size M&P. So I'm gonna unload this, and then I'll try out the 10mm. Should go. Should be a big difference in recoil between those. So let's try it out. All right. Not bad, not bad. That one's pretty good on recoil. This one, again, the last 5 is 220 grain. All right, so I believe that was 10. These last 5 should be the 220 grains. So let's see. That one's a big boom. Woo. Yeah, that one's got some power, those 220 grains. That was a big kick on those. Okay, so for my last test here, I wanted to use this Glock 43X. And I'm going to test my carry ammo. I'm going to do my best to try and make it fail. Shoot quick, shoot limp-handed, whatever. So we'll start with the standard Glock 10-round magazine. All right. So all right. So that was 6. I got 4 more. Just do one-handed and baby style. No failures there, as expected. Glock's a good one, right? Now we're going to test out the shield arms, 15 rounds. Same methodology. See if I can get it to fail. So, shoot a couple. Okay, let's do some quick shots. Still good. Wimpy shots. Oh, we got a failure there. All right. I think we got a couple more. Let's see if we can replicate that. My favorite for sure is this Glock 20. It's very accurate too, which is one thing I really like about it. It's pretty good pistol here. I think some people actually do hunt with it, so my favorite. Other two work great.